How to use Modify Order. To use Modify Order, we start by selecting Modify Order from the list of actions. Once we click on Edit, we can see the order ID, lots, order type, and limit price. So, to get the order ID from a previous order block, we can have a place order block. Once we connect it to a Modify Order, we can see the order ID comes pre-filled. We select the order ID and we can specify what should be the modified order time. We can convert the orders into any supported modified order types. The price inputs are available based on the selected new order type. For example, if we select a stop limit order, we can see both the limit price and trigger price. While we select a limit order, we can already see the limit price. The Modify Order option is useful for getting execution for a pending order. Please note, Modify Order is useful only when the previously placed order is still in pending status. The Modify Order will fail if the previous order is executed or failed, and there is no scope to modify it. Let's recap. Modify Order action lets you update a pending order to improve execution. The order ID is auto-filled from a connected place order block, and you can change order type, price, or quantity. Modification works only for pending orders and fails if the order is already executed or rejected. Got questions on Modify Order? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.